the Top Tech as we continue our episode about cryptocurrencies. Today, in this video, we are going to learn what cryptocurrencies are, the history behind cryptocurrencies, the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies, the benefits of using cryptocurrencies, and are cryptocurrencies legit or legal? So in this video, you are going to understand all these sub areas under cryptocurrencies. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. So do not forget to share the video to your friends so that they also benefit from this video. Now let's get into the section. So when we say cryptocurrencies, what are they? What is cryptocurrencies? When we say cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrencies come from the word cryptography and currencies. So when we combine them, we get cryptocurrencies. So the definition for cryptocurrency in layman's understanding is that cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. So with this definition, you can see there are terms that we need to break them down for you to understand if you want to be at a crypto space. Some of the terms are decentralized, digital, cryptography, and secure. So these terms, they are simple. When we say decentralized, it means that the cryptocurrency, it is not controlled by the government or the bank. Okay, there's no middleman in the cryptocurrency. When we say digital means in the form of online. So the transactions that you do about cryptocurrencies are made at the online space. Okay, and we also have the word cryptography. When we say cryptography, it is a way of securing communications. That is a way of protecting and securing your communication. So at the crypto space, when we say cryptography, it is a way of securing your data from any third party. So the transaction that you do on cryptocurrencies, it is being secured and cannot be seen by any third party. That's either bank or any government. And when we say currency, that's the medium of exchange, that's what we use to make transactions. Okay, so therefore cryptocurrency is also known as digital currency. That's your currency. You can use it at the digital space, the online space. That is not for physical transaction. Okay, so that's all about the definition of cryptocurrency. Now there are a lot of examples of cryptocurrencies. Some are the Bitcoin, that's the BTC, Ethereum, that's the ETH, we have the Stellar XLM, we have the Litecoin, that's LTC, and Tether, that's the USDT. Okay, and other coins that sum up to be the cryptocurrencies. Okay, so as knowing this, let's quickly go to the history behind cryptocurrencies. There's this history that's backed cryptocurrency that is making it very interesting for you and I to understand the crypto space. It is very simple and it's very reasonable. The history about cryptocurrency is that in the 1980s, cryptocurrencies was called cyber currencies until it became popular in 2009, of which Bitcoin was popularly launched, and around that time a lot of crypto coins has also emerged in the system. So with cryptocurrency, there's this assumption that back in the 1980s, if I am owing you, let's say $100, and I want to give you $100, unless I meet you in person before I give your money back to you. Okay, and with this method, there are so many things that can happen in the process of I meeting you in person to give your money to you. Some are cost, security, and speed purposes that we encounter in as much as I'm giving your money back to you. In another scenario, if you go to the bank and you want to go and make deposit to your account or withdraw money from your bank account, you see the bank teller will know the amount of money that you have in your bank account. And if you have huge amount of money in your bank account, the bank teller can have access to your information and use it against you. So to prevent this from happening, that's the need for cryptocurrency. That's creating a decentralized digital currency that is more secure and verified for transactions. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be created and launched. Bitcoin was created by an anonymous developer or group of developers called Satoshi Nakamoto. These people, as at now, we don't know their identity, but they created Bitcoin in the year 2008 and was launched in 2009 when it became popular in the market. That's the first cryptocurrency to be created and launched. And in 2009, when Bitcoin was first launched, the initial price of Bitcoin was around $0.003. $0.003, and at that time, if you had $1, you will get 333 BTC. That you get 333 Bitcoins. And as at the time that I'm recording this video, Bitcoin's price is around $70,000. So let's do this simple calculation. If around 2009 you bought Bitcoin with just $1, with just $1, you will get 33 Bitcoins. And as at now, as the price is 70,000, you are going to get 23,310,000 in your account with just $1, using it to buy Bitcoin. So you can see the Bitcoin, when the price was $0.003 for its launch, and now it is $70,000. That means Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies increases, and also they can increase, they can fall. So per the calculation on the Bitcoins, that's the initial price to the time I'm recording its price. Let's use Ghanaian currency for instance as an example. In 2010, $1 was around 1 cedi 40 pesos. 1 cedi 40 pesos. So if in 2010 you used $1, which is 1 cedi 40 pesos, to buy Bitcoin, you are going to have 333 Bitcoins. And as to now, the price of 1 Bitcoin is $70,000, which means with 1 cedi 40 pesos, if you bought the $1 Bitcoin at around $0.003, you are going to get $23 million, $23 million US dollars, which is equivalent to 333 Bitcoins. So you can see 1 cedi is giving you $23 million within a space of 14 years. Within a space of 14 years. That's very simple. That's very fantastic. And this means that Bitcoins, they increases in value, they decreases in value, and this is leading us to the advantages and disadvantages of using Bitcoin. So without wasting my time, let's quickly go to the advantages of using cryptocurrencies. So one advantage of using cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized in the sense that it is not controlled by the government or the banks, that they may manipulate the price of the cryptocurrency. So it is decentralized, that is, it is not controlled by the government or any bank. Okay. And two, cryptocurrencies are secured. For instance, if you have Bitcoin in your wallet, it is secured. It is secure. That is, because of its cryptographic nature, your transactions are secured. They are secured. And also, another advantage of cryptocurrency is that it has low fees. That the transactions that you do on cryptocurrencies, the fees are small. They are low. They are very low as compared to the traditional ones. Okay. And with cryptocurrencies, it is very fast. If you want to make transactions from one wallet to another wallet, simple, it goes within a twinkle of an eye, within a short possible period of time, as compared to the traditional method. If you want to go and give money to someone, unless you go and meet the person, or if the person is coming from different country, unless the person takes a flight to meet you before the person receives his or her money. Okay, so with cryptocurrencies, it is very fast. That transactions are very fast. Another advantage is that cryptocurrencies offer investment opportunities. Because of the appreciation in cryptocurrencies, your investment is going to yield huge sums of money, and also that's going to make you get something big at the crypto space. So for instance, if you buy and hold Bitcoin or any of the upcoming coins and you hold it for, let's say, 10 years, by the time that the 10 years will due, you would have gotten a lot of money, and your crypto, because your crypto has appreciated, it is going to increase your investment and going to get you more profit in the long run. And also with cryptocurrency, it is limited in supply, and with the limitation in supply of cryptocurrencies, it prevents inflations in the market. Okay, it prevents inflation in the crypto market. And lastly, cryptocurrency is accessible. All that you need is that you have the strong internet connection, a mobile phone, and you create your wallet, and you can access the cryptocurrency by creating a wallet on the crypto exchange platforms and having a crypto in your wallet. Okay, so now, as we now know the advantages of using cryptocurrencies, let's go to the other side of cryptocurrency. That's the disadvantages of cryptocurrency. One disadvantage of cryptocurrency is volatility. That is, cryptocurrencies varies unpredictably. That is, it can increase or decrease, it can rise, it can fall. Another disadvantage of cryptocurrency is its limited adoption. You can see when you go to other countries, cryptocurrency is not widely accepted there. So adoption of cryptocurrency is limited because in some countries they have not adopted or accepted cryptocurrencies for transactions and also making payments of goods, for making payments at the online space. Okay. Another main disadvantage of cryptocurrency is lack of regulations. Because it is decentralized and is not being controlled by the government or the banks, it is very easy for fraudulent activities to occur at the crypto space. So if you are holding a certain crypto coin, because it is not centralized, fraudulent activities can happen in it. For instance, if you want to buy a crypto coin at the P2P market and you send the money for crypto coin, the holder can still not release the crypto coin in your wallet if the crypto holder is a fraudster or scammer. That's one disadvantage. Also, security risk is another disadvantage of cryptocurrency. One's individual account on cryptocurrency can be hacked or compromised if it is not being taken care of. And lastly, one disadvantage of cryptocurrency is exchange and wallet failure. With this one, for instance, if the crypto exchange platforms like the Binance, the KuCoin, the Bybit, the Bitget, and others, if they fail, and if any of these exchanges fail, where you have your crypto amount on, if they fail, where are you going to retrieve your money back? So these are the disadvantages and the advantages of using the cryptocurrencies, as well as the history behind cryptocurrencies and the definition about cryptocurrencies. One thing I want you to take note is that cryptocurrency can be the next step to evolution of money. Yes, if you find this video to be helpful and you are waiting for the next part, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.